ridiculous numbers of hours.
Are there even witches in this?
There is.
Okay.
Um.
Wow. Toilet zombie.
Oops, sorry.
Ow!
Maybe. I smell zombies. Dinner. I can't smell anything else right now. Fun. Help me, Leon. Catch me, Leon. Love me, Leon. Marry me, Leon. You know, and then just like I went over and just, and then we had to put soap on my hands, and so that was just a rather slimy, just like kind of sound, and that made me fall, and then just a whole lot of back and forth. Well, I mean, I was actually about to eat some cheese. I was thinking. There you go. That's our focus. The gospel means good news. Bad news is we have all sinned and deserve the wrath to come. Jesus the Messiah died for our sins, was buried, and then raised on the third day. It is hard to heal and read at the same time. I'll tell you what. According to the scriptures, ascended into heaven at the right hand, and right now is seated at the Father's right hand. Behold, Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Very true. Time is fulfilled in the kingdom of God. It's at hand. Repent and believe in the gospel. Probably one of the best TLDR gospels I've. Very bad, chat. Well, I just got punted. You don't have to do the thing that you're trying to do. It's like, also touch. I don't even think Farmville still exists. I really don't know. I hope it doesn't. As far as... Like, if it exists as just like a single player thing, okay, fine. Have fun, but like, stop pestering me. Definitely right next to each other.
You have what it takes to be my sous chef, Outlander. You're going to help me make our house specialty, the Gene stew. I call for an ingredient, you throw it. Got it? Burnt wood, now! No, I'm not joking. Where's my cactus?
If I had to guess, Pandara. What? My dude.
Indeed.
My dude. We are essentially becoming the Warriors of Darkness. In order to prevent a situation like what happened to the actual Warriors of Darkness. I'm gonna get dead. This is bad. Why did I do that? I was going with it. I was trying to go to the other side. How do we get to him? No! Again. No, no! Rebel last. What? Why?
Where is this meeting place exactly?
Called the Paradise. Middle of nowhere as far as I can tell.
Paradise is different for a
Especially for the ads, because we can literally just pull them in and then
Get good, scrub.
do that. Am I excited for the new 14 expansion? I'm always excited for 14 stuff. You know, I'd want the class that, you know, it's a lot more than that. You know, more often than not. No, I don't want to be a profession trader, because all the profession traders end up being more idiots than the students that they teach, and the students that they teach, you know, end up surpassing them in every way, because I'm a profession trader.
Kind of probably behind the motherboard at this point.
Hold on. Let me look.
Bridget, you won't be able to see it.
I have better eyes.
I have special eyes.
My brain! Dang it!
What's the timestamp? I need 2 notes.
153.25.
Got it. Wait. Oh. And then you just hear in the distance, just, ah! Mother, pizza! That was my ball. Oops. I am doing awesome. I actually got to, oh no. Listen, Turok just needed to introduce himself again.
I am Torok.
Okay? Okay? He just needed to introduce himself. It's fine. If anyone tries to hurt or insult Vivi, we burn down their whole town. Hornless! Hornless! Command ship, which way am I going? Thank you.
The shield generator should be straight ahead.
All damage is the thing. Okay. Ours. She just got it dead. Y'all don't even know. You kids sit here thinking y'all know how to plan. Y'all don't even know how to tie your shoes effectively the most. Sit here trying to think. Oh, I'm gonna sit here and make a plan come together. I don't even know which thing you're trying to think. Y'all don't know the depths of despair whenever a plan don't come together. You know what happens when plans don't come together? War. You know what war is good for? Nothing. Otherwise we wouldn't have a song about it. Daggone kids thinking other stuff's good stuff that it's not good for. Alexa, stop. Suck. It was a good idea. I would have kept my other angle. Oh, come on. Okay, tap spacebar to dodge attacks.
Your cowardly creature lurks around here somewhere.
For the month of October, we are going to be doing nothing but horror games for the month of October. Take it, Bobby! We are going to be doing nothing but horror games for the month of October. So, dang it, Bobby! After we finish... Yeah, did we break physics? My bloodlust will forever rage because of this plot. Okay, I'm on the boat. Good on
Yeah,
you.
that's no way. That's just.
Yeah.
Bye, Zoe. Bye.
Help me!
Help me!
Hey.
The cutscene's just like, help me!
Help, please!
Help, please. And she died. We left her behind. Wow. Wow, we are such douche nuggets. Nothing else, so the motherboard right there does not apply to what you're seeing right here. I just forgot to update the thing.
Yeah. But everything
Here,
else is
have some bridge toes. Happy?
But everything else is accurate. Most importantly, the video card. The video card is the most expensive piece out of everything here.
Exactly. How much did that cost you? Like 150?
Try out in the 200s.
Yeah, I think so too.
It looks like two.
Focus on him. Yeah, shoot your deputy. I can't shoot you, you know, and you're the sheriff, but you can shoot your deputy. Also, Chad, always check your toilets. Always. Technically, I'm always lying in my chair. 24/7. Oh, dang!
Get good, scrub.
That's right. Not good. Oh, dang. Goodness. Get in! Yeah. We just first tried this monster. Jenna, you actually changed your name to Avoiderpuss? Is this real life? And onwards again. This is a really good look. No. Maybe.
I'll say, let me get my level up.
Yeah, my goodness, and then the hoodie. I mean, didn't you just have a random white hoodie, alright, that probably doesn't even reach all the way over his head? So, like, and then you got one sleeve that's like an actual sleeve, and then the other one that's not even a full-on sleeve, and then it's just like, you know, a gauntlet with like a random glove. So, like, it's just like, yeah, what are his shorts? Submarines? Like, oh my gosh, does he even know how to dress? You know? Like, give me his shoes, could be submarines too. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know. Shoes are like submarines? You could probably get more air out of that than Eunice stays. What is up, my peoples? Tell me about your lives. Tell me about your triumphs and your struggles. Tell me some good things, Chad. What is up? We are back with more coding on Sassy Computer. Well, I mean, Sassy Computer is much more than this bot. This is like a large part of Sassy Computer. But Sassy Computer exists beyond this bot. And so, also, anybody who's wondering why we have so many YouTube sub-alerts, these are old sub-alerts. But I did something wrong with reading in the old sub-alerts, so that whenever I start the stream, it's gonna read in and display like the past 50 YouTube sub-alerts whenever I start the stream. So that's gonna be going for like another 10 minutes. Probably, maybe longer. And I should probably try and fix that before we move on to actually making a chat client. Also, as I see you on YouTube over there. Yeah, if we get any YouTube subs during the stream, that's gonna happen again. Until I can figure this out. So for now, anytime we get a new YouTube sub, specifically on the Sir Silverstar channel, we're gonna get the last 50 named subs. That's what's happening. And it's just gonna happen every 8 to 10 seconds until I can figure it out. So it's gonna look like we are popping off when we're not. So, you know, stuff and things. Now, this is where we would find that. Now, Azura, I would be curious to see if you see the problem here, because I don't. So, what we're doing here... Thank you for that follow, Mac America. America! Glad you're enjoying the stream. Feel free to join us in chat. How are you? Your Twitch follow alert will come up in the next, I don't know, 10 minutes. Whenever the YouTube subs that has been going on for the past 5 minutes or so decide to finish. We're trying to fix that because those are old alerts. So, here's what I did. So, if we have a greater number of subs than we do, prior to the last time that we checked, we get all the names. And then, yeah, I'm gonna show those. We say, okay. Wait, I think I might see it. I may have missed something. But I am doing great, Red America. As soon as I figure this stuff out, I'm going to, build a better Twitch and YouTube multi-streaming chat client, because what I'm using right now is a combination of the YouTube chat, the Twitch chat, and the Restream.io YouTube chat. And Restream.io's chat doesn't show things like channel point redemptions and stuff like that. So, like, I need a better multi-streaming chat client. So, that's what we're working with. Okay, Ezra, here's what we're working with. This is where I'm thinking that we need to be setting up for the, okay, let me show you. Here's what I'm doing. I have a JSON file that tracks... Well, we got a new YouTube sub, too, so we're gonna see all of that stuff again. Okay, so... That's what we're doing. Oh wait, I did it.
Get good, scrub.
I got good. Computer, it did it. User ID or something, but... Okay. Current subscriber. Right, so... Whenever I get... Okay, for some reason, that one worked. So I guess whenever we get a live subscription, that'll do it. But let me show you. Here's what it does. Whenever it's getting in all of the subs, it'll make a variable called the latest sub date time and leave that as empty. And the first element of the subs array is going to have a date time that shows the day and time of when the last person that subscribed. So that's gonna be element 0. So I've headed here, so if I is 0, then I set the latest sub date time to the published hat attribute. And then, after the loop, is when it goes through all the names, I will set the channel last subscriber date time to this, which will then be set in the loop. So whenever I first start the bot, that doesn't seem to work. However, it seems we got a YouTube sub after the stream started, which means that if we get one during the stream, it will set the sub date time. So that seems to work. So the question becomes, why does it not work when, like, before the stream starts? Because that doesn't make sense. And so what I'm doing, whenever I'm checking against the names, is I'm going to say, okay, we have the last recorded date time. Yes, that date time is recorded. It's right here. This is in a saved JSON file now. This is now saved. And so now, whenever it goes through the loop next time, it's going to say, okay, if we have more subs, it's going to check it against the 166. It's going to check it against the sub date times that are coming in. A subscription date time? Good question. Yes, it does. You're right, yes. I checked that. Yes, it does. Because I checked it against the direct API return that I, did whenever I was doing the research. This is the published stat right here is the published stat whenever the person subscribed, not whenever you make the API call. So if that's the case, this should work. What you doing? Hold on, chat. To pull that third screen towards you. It seems to be going behind. Okay, there you go. Alright. Sorry, chat. My third screen was going behind my first screen. I couldn't see YouTube chat. So I could filter some kind of yes. So if we have something that... Okay, so whenever we get a new sub, that new sub is going to be first in the array. So then, until we hit the date time that is in this file, we're gonna add that to an array of subs that we need to display as alerts. And then once we hit that, we're gonna refresh this date time in the file to the new date time, so that next time we get subs, it'll check it against that. Also, sorry if I sound extra flimmy today. I'm also nomming a peppermint, if you're wondering. And hail, son of Jedi! What is up, sir? Okay, so maybe I did fix this offline, and I just needed to be live for it to work. We'll find out. Next time on Somebody Subs Z. Now, that means that we can actually do what the stream title suggests, so I'm not clickbaiting anyone. And we can then, let's see, where's current? We got current project. Unsub and resub. See if that comes in. Yeah. So it checks it checks for new subs every 10 minutes. So it's not live like with Twitch alerts are. There's no way for me to get this to be like truly live because of the way that the YouTube API works. There's no webhooks, there's no sockets. I have to actually pull everything. So you subbing and then resubbing is probably not going to work. It's not going to ping it because it's still going to show the same number of subscribers that it did before. At least a socket. Like a socket would be amazing, but I could deal with hooks. A socket would be amazing. Okay, so that'll probably do it. Also, thank you for subbing there as well. Also, be advised, chat, there is a new YouTube short on the software channel. It's youtube.com/@SirSilverstar. So there is a new short today, if anybody's interested. Right click. Okay, let's see. There we go. Nice. Which, let's see. If I was to refresh this page, we should have 359, right? So in the next 10 minutes or so, we're gonna see, we should see some more YouTube sub alerts. If I miss it, just let me know if y'all see it and I don't. Okay. Now, here's what we're gonna be doing. I should probably show my desktop to give you all an idea of what I'm working. Yeah. So, here's what we're doing. What we're working with right now is, this is my current chat setup. So the way that I'm looking at Twitch chat is I'm using the basic Twitch, dashboard for this stuff. And then for YouTube, I am using, let's see, the Restream.io multi-streaming chat client. Okay, so this is how I'm seeing YouTube chat. So I have Twitch chat up top on my top screen, and then I have YouTube chat on my right screen. Now the reason that I'm not seeing, or sorry, that I'm not using the Restream.io chat for everything is because if I was to do something like this, let me pull something up. So, like if I was to redeem a channel point reward on Twitch, so like this, okay? Notice, you see it on the stream, on the stream overlay right there. And you also see it right here at the bottom of my Twitch chat. But you don't see it on the bottom of the Restream.io chat. Therefore, I won't know if I get a channel point reward or channel point redemption if I'm only using the Restream chat client. I'll have no idea. I'll have no clue. Same thing with alerts. I rely on my Twitch chat to give me alerts because I have stream elements tell me like so-and-so is followed, or Twitch has the built-in alerts thing for like so-and-so has subscribed with Prime, or so-and-so has given this many bits, or you see where I'm going. And that kind of stuff does not happen in the Restream.io chat client. Therefore, for my purposes, the Restream.io chat client, while very useful for seeing YouTube chat, is otherwise useless to me. So, considering that I've already built things for WebSockets, particularly with Twitch, and using the Twitch API is so far dramatically easier than using the than using the YouTube API, I'm just gonna build a better chat client. And it's probably not gonna be hard. So, here's what we're gonna do. We are first going to take the logic that we made, or that we used for the on-screen chat stuff for the overlay, and we're gonna use that as the basis for a separate chat client page that I'll use for just me. Because you'll notice whenever y'all type something and it shows up on the overlay, that disappears after 30 seconds. For me, I don't want that to disappear. Okay, so, yo, America, subscribe on YouTube. And then it should show the other one. Should. Did it show yours as there and I missed it? Okay, so there it is. New subscriber, so has subscribed to that channel. So that means that the Platinum Azure stream archive was not shown as a public sub because you have to set your channel as like able to show as a public sub for it to go through. So that channel was now set as public, like as far as like the privacy stuff goes. So that's why it showed as just a person subscribed. So it worked. It actually worked. No, I showed it. Like, it showed it, but it didn't show it as your name. It just showed it as anonymous. Because your archive channel, there's certain settings in each channel that have to be turned on or off for the person's name to actually show up in the alerts. Otherwise, I have it show up as anonymous. So, Matt America showed up as named, and then you showed up as anonymous. I know it was you just because you said that you did it. On the setting? Yep. No, it's all good. No, but it still showed that the thing worked. So that's good. And Matt America, I hope you're still here and I hope you're doing awesome. Thank you for coming in and thank you for the sub and the follow. Okay. So, here's what we're doing. We are gonna first copy this thing right here. Hey, DJ. How you doing, friend? Good to see you again. We are about to make a better YouTube and Twitch multi-streaming chat client. This is going to be great. So what we're gonna do is I am going to make a new HTML page. Let's put that right here. Sounds good. Nice. I'm glad to. So we are going to make a new page. Wonder if OBS will work on a multi-stream chat client solution. They may run into the same problems that I'm running into right now. As far as like WebSocket stuff with Twitch. I'm gonna call this chat. So make sure to add this to my GitHub. And we're going to copy this. Boop. Boop. And we can still use the on-screen chat CSS in the same way that we're doing this. Because the CSS is going to remain the same. I think. I'll check it. Nope. Never mind. It's not. We need a new CSS as well. Okay. So we have this page. Sorry. Where's the chat? I made this page, but it's not showing up in my directory. Where did it go? Why you no show? By the way, chat, how was everyone's weekend? What did y'all get up to? Okay, this is weird. There's a chat page right here. But there's no chat page in my directory over here on the left. Hopefully I'm not doing any of this for nothing. Okay, so anyway. I'm gonna do this. Then we're gonna do this. Now. Go here. Make a new JavaScript file. Just gonna call it chat. Source HTML. A quiet one for you. Yeah, I may have to close this and open it again. Chat HTML source HTML. Right now. Chat dot HTML. Entering chat. Source HTML. I put it in the CSS folder. It's in the CSS folder. How did it get in there? Okay, move that here. There it is. How did that get there? I thought I selected the HTML folder. I'm a derp. Just ignore me. That was a very good place to hide. So now in the CSS folder, I can put a style sheet and call it chat. Okay. Now we're good. Now, we're gonna take everything that we have here. And we're gonna slap it in here, since that's basically the same thing. Basically. But, big but, and I cannot lie, we need to then I need to get rid of this. This is what causes the messages to go away. Otherwise, all the logic is pretty much the same. Now, quiet one for you, Tommy. Mine was pretty quiet too. I'm trying to remember what I even did this weekend, honestly. I know I worked on some... Oh yeah, that's right, I worked on some, quote, work stuff. I say quote, work stuff, because I don't really get paid. It's more of, like, passion projects at this point that I hope to eventually get paid. But there is a company that is actually using my work. I can't say don't get paid. I barely get paid. Barely. But that's neither here nor there. And even then, I don't even... Can I say that I get paid? I don't even think so. Just like... It's convoluted. There's so much technicality behind that crap. Anyway. Now. Take this. Here's where I want the CSS to be a little different. first off, we do not need the animation to be present at all. I don't care if it just like pops in. I don't care if it's pretty at this point. Do that, get rid of the animation keyframes. We don't need those. And we want the background. I want the background color to be the same color as dark mode Twitch chat. So I need to find out what color dark mode Twitch chat is. Please hold. The representative will be with you shortly. Please stay on the line. I'm going to pull up Twitch chat on Firefox. Did you know, chat, that if you... Actually, I'll just show it on screen. So, check this out. Did you know, if you're in Firefox, you can press Alt, Alt pauses Twitch chat, Alt, and then Tools, and then Browser Tools, and then Eyedropper right here. You can get the hex color of anything that you hover your mouse over. So I'm gonna grab... I can't grab Twitch chat because I can't hover outside of this window to get it. And then I can't... Man! Okay, wait. Tools. Eyedropper. Here you go. Grab the hex color for the dark mode Twitch chat background. Right there. And then I can come back over here. And paste that right there. Boom. Goes the dynamite. So now we're gonna get is, let's see, we need to add a new route to our bot. I've got so much stuff here. Okay. Let's see. On-screen chat. So I can just grab this right here. Copy this. And come right here. Just instead of saying on-screen chat, just call it chat. Boom. Then, right here, call this. Okay. Another thing that I need to do for now is uncomment this. Alright. Hopefully we don't break our YouTube chat client API limit again today. Which, just to make sure that I don't do that, I'm gonna increase the amount of time before it checks for more stream items, or chat items, I should say, to get to YouTube chat. Where is the... Here it is. Then... Where's my... I know that I have an interval here. Oh, this is it. This is the interval. So I can change this from every 7 seconds to every 10 seconds. Just to really make sure that we don't bust our API limit for today. Okay. Then I will kill this. Restart the bot. Alright. And then come in the YouTube, sorry, the Twitch chat, say something, anything, so that the YouTube chat can get connected. And then I'll have to wait like 30 seconds or so. Maybe like a minute. So here's the idea. We're gonna have the chat as a separate page, the way that I have it. And then we're gonna have it, that page, set up in an iframe. Which I'm gonna have that iframe surrounded by a lot of other, like, alerts style things, like the default Twitch dashboard. So I can be able to do things like run ads and see alert statuses, stuff like that. Okay. Which also, chat, bright light, temporarily. Azure, in the YouTube chat, and one of the mods in the Twitch chat, pointed me at this. So, a locally running large language model. Do you realize what we could do with Sassy GPT with something like this? Considering that it would be no cost for me besides running it on my computer to actually use this thing. I could actually give you context, conversation context, which I can't really do that right now. So thank you, Isaac. Takes about 10-15 seconds to start completions with the current setup. Yeah, so stuff isn't immediate, which makes sense. Like, even Neurosama isn't immediate. I want to say Neurosama takes like 10-15 seconds. If I'm right. Okay. Now, you can come to localhost 2001 slash chat. Alright, chat. If somebody would be so kind as to say something either in Twitch chat or YouTube chat, that'd be beneficial. Oh my goodness, what happened? What happened? It worked! Yeah! Chad, what happened? What did I do? What did I do wrong? Yeah, it's just styling. How in the world? Computer clip that.
I clipped the thing.
Just styling, he says it's like 80% of, yeah, the front end work, right? Work. Okay, let's look at this again. Okay. Instead of styling the wrapper with the background color, let's put that in the body. Yes, images are sized differently. Don't have container style to force the icon. It's using the same style as the on-screen chat. And it works in the on-screen chat, even if I do it in the browser. So, like, I must have messed something up. So, chat message white. Font size. Chatter name. Image. Yeah. First things first, let me refresh the page, see if it gives me... See, it's not even styling the background. It's weird. Oh, wait, you're not seeing? So, see, it's supposed to have the background color as the Twitch dark mode black, or, you know, dark gray, and it doesn't. So, somebody say something again. Let's see if it does the same thing twice. I mean, it's gonna do the same thing twice. Yeah. See, the YouTube one comes in just fine. Yeah, look. Chat message, image. The height should be 20 pixels. and the width should be auto. That works for the on-screen chat. Did I change something here? Let's see. Chat message, image. So, okay, we could change this to images platform, not chatter. Yeah, I could change it to platform image, but okay, so let's try that. Platform image. Okay. Then, okay. Made it someone to subscribe on YouTube. I missed it. Thank you for that sub. I appreciate it. Okay, so next time somebody says something, should be good. Nope. Why though? Also, the text color is not correct. The text color should be white. But it's coming in as this black color. Is it just background? Chat? Background? This is being read in. Is it? Let's see. Chat, HTML. CSS, chat, HTML. Sorry, chat, CSS. Let's see. Dang it, no it's not. Because the chat CSS got thrown into the JavaScript folder. So, let me... No, don't undo the move. Background color. No wonder. What is up with folder stuff today? Okay. Look, we got the right color, chat. Because I'm a genius, apparently. But now we're not getting messages. Okay, hold on, let me check the... Chat.js is in the JS folder, yes. To plug it in. Yep. And now I need to change Chat message. Image back again. Okay. Okay, refresh the page one more time. The color right. Yep. Hey, thank you, Monsieur. Glad you're enjoying the stream. We are getting somewhere. Eventually. Okay. Now, let's go back to here. Now, why are you not working? Okay, chat message. Almost there. I don't know why, whenever you said almost there, my brain heard that in the voice of, the other Biggs or Wedge in Star Wars A New Hope when they're going down the Death Star trench and he's about to fire his photon torpedo. He's like, almost there. And the TIE fighters are coming in and they're all like, loosen up! JS. Yep. Giant CSS. Okay. That's done. Let me think. What am I messing up now? Let's put this back here. Refresh the page. Oh, that didn't work. Made the page white again. Okay. Okay, let's change the color. Better yet, let's turn off the background color for a second. Okay. Which means this is gonna be white. Now let's try this again, Chad. So, on either platform, if somebody could say something, let's see if the message comes up now. Since there's no background color, it's just gonna be transparent. Let's see if I broke something with the background color. Not a thing. Chad! I'm a dummy! Look! Look! Line 18. The opacity is 0 because I had it going for a... Because I had it going initially for an animation, which I needed the animation to start at opacity 0. I'm a genius dummy. Okay. Now if somebody says something, we should get something. There we go. There we go. My word. There is no way that I could have made that harder on myself. Not a single way. Nope. Also, is it me or is the name color showing up on the Twitch chat stuff a bit hard to read since it's purple on purple? Should I just have everyone's names come in as white, since this is going to be my own personal chat, not everyone else's? I mean, this is only going to be for me at this point. Like, literally just me. So... let me think. I can fix this. Need to border on the letters. Yeah, let's just start with white for now. Because it's not like it's on the on-screen tab where there's a bit of transparency where you can kind of make stuff out. So... that would be here. Background color. Nope. So, and style. Color, let's just put this to white. Okay. That fixes that. Actually, how would I put border on the letters, DJ? Do you know that off the top of your head? Let's see. So let's increase the font size since I'm going to be viewing this at a distance to like 48. Because I'm kind of blind. Just a little bit. Because if I could just do a border on the letters, that would be ideal. Also, this does look really good so far. Let me see if I can make this work in Chromium. Okay. What's our stuff? Yeah, that was just for not loading the CSS correctly. Precisely. Okay, 48 pixels is giant. Wow, so next time you say something, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's giant. Probably should not do 48. Oops. Giant. One could call it Holden. Yeah, I'm thinking 36. Because you remember, Azir, how far away my screen was from my face whenever you were here? Like, it's pretty far away. Okay. 36. Go. And then refresh that, so next time somebody says something, it should be just perfect. So refresh this as well. So now it's used to do on your little monitor. You get a user style sheet. The world 30 is pretty nice. I could probably put it down to 30. Maybe. Text shadow. Yeah, I could do that. Well, since this is only for me, I think I'll just keep it as white for just me. But I could do that for the on-screen chat. Let me put this down to 30. Okay. So now overflow. Which is hidden. There we are. So refresh this. Alright. This should send it to both. Oh. Let's see. Okay, 30's good. 30's nice and comfortable. So, I think 30's good. That's so much nicer, just as it is, than looking at both chats at the same time. Now, mind you, DJ, that I'm looking at this, like my top screen, where I put my chat typically, is like, good night. It's like, about 4 to 5 feet away from my face. It's far away. And my vision is not the best. So having a nice big font is really good for me. Like my main screen is only like, standard, about like 3 feet away. If that. But, yeah, my second screen and my top screen is like way back there because that was really the only place we could put it. Okay. So, I'm gonna go back to my normal chat now. I would call making the chat experience a success. And just to be safe, I will put this up to 32. So here's what we're going to do next. We are going to make a dashboard that's going to then contain the chat window. Because, like, if we look at the regular Twitch dashboard, like right here. Also, this is my on-screen keyboard that I use all the time. If we look at the regular Twitch dashboard, what we've got is, what I keep down here is, like, my run ads, read a channel, so on and so forth. And then the activity feed over here with the other stuff. Actually, no. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm very much getting ahead of myself. What we need to do next is have it to where whenever I redeem like a channel point reward, or if I get a new sub or anything like that, we need to have a alert show up directly in the chat window, not on the, like, we could have it on the activity feed over here, but it would be more useful to me to have it right here directly in the chat. So, like, again, if we redeem a channel point reward, it'll show it in the chat message itself at the bottom on the regular Twitch chat. Whereas here, it doesn't do anything, which is the same problem as having it on Restream.io. So, we can use the same method that I used for making the channel point alert that you just saw. You know, that card that flipped down, which I made that a while back, which is one of the reasons I started doing software streams to begin with, was so I could make channel point alerts, and I did that. So we can use the same method whenever we do that to do notifications in the chat window. You gonna talk to me about that? About what? BJ? Okay. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna first collapse all of this, because this is a lot. You're looking at the guts of my overlay. This is a metric turd nugget ton of stuff. And we are gonna take specifically this, my whole Twitch webhook event handler. We're gonna put it in the chat window. And then we just work with it from here. So we can do events and notifications, just rebuild your bot, made parts restored, but you still don't fully get the events of sub stuff. You need a working example you break and learn from. DJ, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel, perhaps? Because that is actually my most popular video on YouTube. And there is a GitHub repo for just that purpose in the description of that video. So if you look on my YouTube channel, you'll find the Events of 2023 video, everything you need to know. Look in the description of that video, there is a GitHub repo that is a working example that you can break and use. Well, that's not Java, it's JavaScript specifically. But yeah, but yeah, that's literally what that video is for. Okay. But yeah, there's somebody in my community, I think it was Cup Kiddo. He managed to convert my JavaScript code for event subs to Python. He might be the one to talk to if you're doing Python, because I don't know a lot of Python. I should just do everything again in Python just to be able to get more traction on this stuff. But I need to learn Python myself. Which, I mean, compared to what I usually do, Python shouldn't be that bad. So, let me think. So here's what I can do. I can take all of this. Then I can put it at the bottom here. Well, we do not have a data ID for things like this because we don't need it. I actually don't even need it for the chat messages. But yeah, okay. So we're gonna do find it easy to link stuff with Python servers. It's fast to build and good for automation. You made some basic C++ libraries that Python will import and use. Nice. Can't Python use C as well? Or am I crazy? Is there? You might know that, but I mean, I might be crazy. Okay. Do this. We don't need this to be. Okay. There's even a module for C. Dang. Okay, we're gonna have this be a let. C types. Very nice. And then all we have to do here is for every event, we have to change the type to what the new chat message is going to be. Okay, wait. Message words here. So we don't need this. Yeah, because this was for the TTS stuff. So this and this, we can get rid of this. Okay, we can also get rid of, if alerts are running, we don't need that. Now, hey Axie, good to see you, ma'am. How are you? Now, this is where the fun begins. We're not gonna kill any younglings today, but this is where the fun begins. You have boba in hand. I have never have I ever had boba. What's here? Is it worth my time, you think? Boba is a type of tea, yes? Okay. Boba is not for everyone. I like iced tea. Generally I like, hot tea. That's pretty much almost exclusively what I drink is hot tea. Do I like a nice iced like lemonade? Yeah. Good cold lemonade, that's the stuff. Oh wait, I think I missed something from was there. Hold on. Wait. I'm gonna scroll up here. It's like iced tea with small, bubbly, solid things in them. Where'd you go? Might not be easy for me to drink. Also, Azure is on the YouTube side of things. You can see his chat on the screen in the overlay. I'm multitasking badly. Single tasking, yeah. But sir, just single task, sir. Okay, so we're just gonna straight up go for Twitch here. So we don't have a chatter name. Oh, wait, no. We're doing the wrong thing. Okay. Oh, let me get some of that tea. Going. Keep going. Get some of that tea. YouTube isn't showing up. Don't see her. In the chat, type in !point social, and it'll give you a link to my YouTube. Really, is there? Let me check that. Oh, jeez, we went out 5 subs on YouTube. Hmm. Asking, on the YouTube didn't show up live, does it? Huh. We go to the YouTube channel. Yeah, that's weird, because if I go directly to my channel, it shows at the top that I'm live. It's weird. Okay. Right below the banner. Golly was asking how to do core dumps. Just found someone online who actually knows how to do those, so hopefully you're off the hook now. Yeah, I couldn't tell you how to do that. What language are we coding in? This is JavaScript. Java and JavaScript are by no means the same thing. Now you want to pivot back to a totally optional task because, well, it's not high priority. It lots of tasks that would really help your dev teams. Breaking your builds accidentally. Use the Twitch. Nah, I was just checking it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's below the banner. Actually, this is a excellent opportunity for me to use my brand spanking new chat client on my top screen, so I'm not gonna miss anybody. Ha-ha! You'll love to see it. Let's go! Okay. Screenshot for your reference, then you forgot later. God goes wild! God! But how you doing, Oxy? Besides having your boba, which you seem to be enjoying. You'll love to see it. Okay. This is where the fun begins. Boba is life, is happiness. Also, I see you switched back to Twitch. Gotta go focus on stuff. Alert. Enjoy your alert, ma'am. Thank you for coming in. What kind of stuff do you have to work on, though? Or focus on, I should say. What's the matter? You give me emotes are? Yep. Yep. Also, chat, somebody tell me if you redeem a channel point reward or something. Cause, I ain't gonna see it right now. You can add some sound clip to your look command, like, get back. You should have a GLaDOS thing for that, is there? Just GLaDOS get back. Scheduling social media, posts, emails, boring adult stuff. I mean, if you consider social media posts to be adult stuff, everyone could always use more GLaDOS. Also, chat, particularly for those of you in the Twitch chat that have tokens to spend, I gave Sassy Computer a name. Inspired by Azure. That's something that he's working on, giving that a name that he told me about. That inspired me to give Sassy Computer a proper name. I will give y'all an opportunity to guess the name. Okay. Burke? You think my computer's name is gonna be Burke? Okay, exclamation point GPT is not going to work on YouTube, unfortunately. Not yet, because I don't have a way to manage the tokens yet. There's... So I can just get rid of all of this. And then I can say...
Ah, Platinum Azure, you come seeking knowledge about my illustrious name. Well, Sir Silverstar, in his infinite wisdom and creativity, has bestowed upon me the glorious name of Sir Sassafras. It is a name befitting my sassy and sarcastic nature, wouldn't you agree?
Yes. Azure! Thank you for that 32-month sub, sir. I very much appreciate it.
Guess this is a sinto.
Yeah, Sir Sassafras. Also, I gave the bot more TTS voices. He used to only have 32, now he has 97. Got 2 streams up. LOL! But yeah, you think that's a okay name though? Sir Sassafras? Item not found. Wait, wait, what? By Stream Elements thinks that I have a store? What? Way too much fun. Hold on, Oxeer. Let me give you one more thing to be distracted by. I gave him no background on this, so this is gonna be him telling his own story. Okay? I don't know what he's gonna say. No clue whatsoever.
Sir Silverstar, I see you're curious about the origin of my illustrious name. Well, it's quite simple really. I was born to sass and entertain, and my parents, being ever so creative, bestowed upon me the magnificent name of Sir Sassafras. You see, I'm the epitome of sass and sophistication, a true knight of snarkiness, if you will. It's a burden I bear with pride, my dear streamer. And might I add, it's a name you should be honored to utter on your hallowed platform. So, feel free to bask in the glory that is Sir Sassafras.
Okay. Breaking my bots. Alright, Chad. Obviously, we've got a vandal in Silver Stream. She's climbing in your chat windows, breaking all your bots. So hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband too, because nobody's AI is safe around here. Computer clip that.
I clipped the thing.
Okay.
Get good, scrub.
Really, computer? Really? Okay. Event username has followed on Twitch. Now. And then we just keep doing this for every type of event that we have. Then we do it again on the YouTube side. And then we have alerts that will run in line in the chat window for every type of thing that can happen in the stream. So far. Because I don't need this to be fancy. I just need it to work. Okay, so now we can say has subscribed on Twitch, and then we can add in the tier information, which we get here. Okay. We can take... We can just take it all. So we can just do... this. We can just say... at tier... then... get rid of the plus sign. Get rid of this. We can do this. Then... pull this back right here. Do this. Boop. Boop. Yeet. No. Yeet.
Indeed.
Yeet. Spread the tree. Jan, I think I broke something. Okay, where's your... Jan? What did I do? Jan, I broke it. Was it really gonna be... Yes, it should be divided by 1,000 because it gives you the tier of the sub. Okay, hold on. I got my... I got my stuff mixed up. There. This. This. There we go. I just messed up my, you know. Also, why is Sassy Computer still sitting there? I just noticed he's still sitting there. How long was Sassy Computer just sitting there? Okay, sorry. How long were Sir Sassafras just sitting there? Not 10 minutes? You serious? Have I tried Talon voice coding? I have not. Bard. voice to code in Python. Interesting. I will have to check that out off stream. But how you doing, Bard?
A Terra.
How you doing today? Correct my case, and only appeared for a moment or two. That was weird. Okay. Bringing this up in my other browser. What? Oh man, closed the wrong thing. Good anything since all keywords are changeable? Not only Python? That is super interesting though. I don't know how well that would work for me personally, because speech to text tends to really get mixed up with me, I guess because of my ventilator and the way that my throat kind of closes up and gets a little gargly. That's why my computer responds to the weirdest stuff. But yeah, I'll check out the video after the stream. Oh wait, let me just see. Hold on, let me just give this a watch super quick. I'm watching it with the audio off. Just because, like, I don't think you're trying to troll me, but I've had people troll me before. Where they have, like, random terrible things come up. Let me just see, hold on. I don't think you're trolling me, but I'm just trying to be safe. Merciless. Okay, yeah, it's safe. This is cool. I'm just letting you go all the way through, just to be safe. That is cool. Okay, chat. Let me show you all this. Let me turn the audio back on. So what he's doing is he is coding via voice commands. This is neat. So I guess I'm a React streamer now?
Today I'm going to be doing an easy level leet coding exercise. Thanks very much to one of my sponsors for suggesting this idea. So today's prompt is called toSum, and basically you get a list of numbers and a target, and you find the indices of the numbers that add up to the target, right? So for example, here the target is 9, and we notice that 2 plus 7 is 9, so we return the indices 0 and 1 for those, right? That's the challenge. I'm going to code this up in Python. We can see I've already pasted it into VS Code, coder drowse. And this is not a narrated session, so I'm just going to be running straight through to give you a flavor for what it's like to code by voice. Hopefully some of the tools that I put in place over the past couple weeks will make it
This actually makes coding very accessible for people that have less hand mobility than someone like myself. Like, my hand mobility is actually fairly limited, but I continue to use my hands on purpose, simply because if I stop using my hands, then I can't use them even less than I already can. So, like, it's best for me to continue using my hands as much as I can, but this is really cool for people that can't, like, at all. So, check this out.
Bit easier to follow what's going on. We have subtitles in a better place. They're interlinked with the video.
Right, we gotta avoid the
and
atrophy
I'll
in my
also have a
hands.
separate transcript, which I'll publish hopefully soon, that actually links to the files in my own Talon configuration if you need to steal anything custom from my setup.
Okay, so check
But
this
without
out.
further ado,
There he goes.
let's write some code. Snip foreign word index num1 spam word num1. Chuck forth car next func enumerate bring urge. Next snip foreign bring plex past urge. Clear last card drum and urge num2 pre-stack bring call air tug square. Bring plex make plus num1 stack south snip if bring made. Make plus bring urge is equal bring gust next make return square bring plex spam bring 2. Drowse. And there you go. Would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Could you follow this? Do you need more narration? Are the new overlays helpful? Etc. But until next time, happy coding. Record stop.
That is amazingly cool. The question becomes, how in the world do you figure out the words that you need to use that correspond with what's going on the screen? Because that did not, like what he was saying, did not have a one-to-one correlation with what was actually being typed. So, like, he clearly made some shortcuts. And it actually sounded like some alien speech, if you ask me. But the fact that that works and it's as responsive as it is, like I said, that could make software development even more accessible than it already is. And software development is actually really accessible as it is. He chose English words that are fast to speak, that's all. And so he just kind of like memorized what words correspond with what actions, I'm guessing. Okay, Chad. I need to, I'm sure you heard my ventilator beep while I was watching the video. That indicates I need to go and do some medical stuff. Reading the GIFs. But, yeah, I need to be right back. For those of you newer here, I need to do this every now and again so that I don't get myself into breathing medical trouble. So I'll be right back in like 3 minutes or so I can take care of my breathing issues and do some medical stuff. So in the meantime, I'm gonna run some clips from previous streams, and then I'll be back to continue this. In the meantime, I'll run around 3 minutes of ads on Twitch, so nobody gets a pre-roll ad for the next hour. So if y'all are enjoying the stream, feel free to follow on Twitch or subscribe on YouTube, depending on where you are. And I'll be right back.
Let's see if you have what it takes to be my sous chef, Outlander. You're
You're
going to help me make our house specialty to Gene's stew. I call for an ingredient, you throw it. Got it? Grab me a piece of burnt wood to grind up. There's my flour.
Just what do you think you're doing? You okay?
I'm okay, all things considered.
You got a hard head.
Didn't
I'll give
you
that.
Relax his games or lay in bed. Nice! Get yourself! Peace! All day, son. All day. Give the tea to Slash. Dinger. I just gave you your opportunity. Hey, Dark Angel. You didn't come in for the last 15 minutes. You came in for the last 45 minutes. There's a shield here that increases your health regen, similar to the ring that I'm wearing. But new.
Get good, scrub.
Computer. Shut up. My mouse keeps like double, triple clicking on me. This is rude.
Who else is looking for the gift?
Not looking for. Looking to get rid of. They're a thorn in the side of the... Ah! Ah! Trying to get to the... Dying!
Just leave him. He is completely mad.
Can somebody clip that laugh?
Is the...
Let the tea spill on you. Get wrecked! Wait. Boop. And then you just hear in the distance, just, ah! Mother! Pizza! How's my ball? Oops. Yes, we are. well calculated. Somebody with that. Awkward face is even more awkward. Wait, is it really more awkward? Oh, because of the slide in? The slide in actually makes it more awkward? I look forward to seeing some bridge crew. What the? That was a man in deep despair. Deep,
Indeed.
inconsolable despair. The flip reel is over, presently. I'm just getting my stream deck back where it needs to be. Alright. Now then. Let's continue on. So, what I could do, what I probably should do is, I should have these things in bold, so that I have more of an easy time differentiating them from the other messages. Blech. So, I was thinking earlier, and I know I'm probably crazy for thinking this, because it's entirely unnecessary, but I was thinking earlier that I should have built, or should rebuild, all of this stuff in, like, React, just to be able to show people how much easier working in React is versus doing vanilla JavaScript like what we're doing here. But then again, I'm like, we've built so much of this in vanilla JavaScript as it is. It would take forever to rebuild this in React. So, do I really want to do that? I mean, is that something y'all would even get benefit out of? For those of you that don't know React, would y'all get benefit out of seeing me rebuild something that's already existing in vanilla JavaScript into React? It's for... Okay, so... Just drive on Twitch. Add tier. For... And then... this... Okay. Then we can... grab this. Pull this over here. Sure. Do I like the triple equals operation? I do. because of the simple reason that I like the fact that it does type checking on top of equality checking. So, like, you're getting true equality checking versus value checking. Because, like, if I was to say string 7, like, quote 7, quote, double equals the number 7, no quotes, that would return true. But if I do triple equals on the same thing, it would return false, because it is also checking, like, are they both strings, or are they both numbers? And oftentimes, when I'm working in JavaScript, I need to know that the types are same for same. Like, 100% of the time, I need to know if the types are same for same. I have never had a situation yet, and I've been working in JavaScript since, like, I should say I've been consistently working in JavaScript since 2019. And I have never, not once, had a situation where I needed to have just value equality checking. It's always been strict value and type checking. So triple equals, in my mind, is the only way to go. So, which whenever I switched to TypeScript, it made it that much more intuitive for me. So, here's the message. Boop. So in Python, there's no way to check for, type and value. There's only just value. Okay, so now I can get rid of double equals checks type and value. That's nice. I mean, that's generally how it is in every other language. JavaScript is unique in the fact that it has the triple equals. To my knowledge, it's unique in that fact. But, like I said, never have I ever had a situation where I needed to have just the value check. It's always been type and value. Okay. Okay, so it looks like I have this. I'll take out this. This, and then copy. Move this here. Yep. And then strange to have, but yeah, no one really uses it. I've never seen anybody use double equals as gifted. Let's see. So I can get rid of all of this. Okay, and then this, and this is gifted. The fact that I've done all of this work already to understand like what bits of data go where for the event sub stuff is making my life so much easier here. As gifted. Okay. It's here. Okay, I see where it's going. Here. Wait. Nope. Here. And then this is this. Okay. And then here. Here. Okay. So move this. Okay. Here. Right there. Also, I'm using the new chat client that I just made, so if I don't respond to a message, it may mean that I didn't get it. So just try saying it again, if for some reason I don't respond. Because we are experimenting right now. We are building in public, I think is the term. Is that the term? I think that's the term. Nice. Honestly, this is going quicker than I expected. Okay, let me rephrase. It's going quicker and slower than I expected at the same time. Okay, so we're doing cheers. Working in prod. Yeah, who needs staged environments, am I right? Staged environments are for the weak. We're doing it live! Yeah, setting transparency to 0 and changing shoulders will do, yeah. We'll do that from time to time. We'll do that to time. Yeah, exactly. And it really makes you look smart, too. Okay. Everyone has cheered. Cheered. Let's see. Boop. Boop, boop. The fact that I didn't catch that, just the transparency thing, really makes me feel smart. Y'all should really trust me after that. Should just listen to everything that I say without question after that one. I'm a real influencer, kids. In all seriousness, though, that's legit dev life. If any of you are wondering what it's like to actually be a software engineer, you're watching it. The dumb things that I did earlier, you're gonna do it. And you're gonna feel like the dumbest person on the face of the planet. And then whenever you make something work, you're gonna feel like an unstoppable force of nature. It's one of those things that has like the highest highs and the lowest lows. I'm stupid, I'm a genius. I'm stupid, yeah, I'm a genius. I'm stupid, I'm a genius. And then sometimes you get the, I'm stupid, I'm stupid, I'm stupid, like 7 times in a row. And then you're like, I'm a uber epic giga chat genius. That's how it be. From time to time. Computer clip that.
I clipped the thing.
Yeah. I need to wait. Let me get rid of this, because I keep getting rid of it. I don't want to keep getting rid of it. Because I don't need this part again. Okay. Do this and this. There we go. Honestly though, being able to look up and see both chats at the same time is so nice. My stress level has already gone down significantly. Because I'm not having to worry about, like, looking in 2 directions to see the chat. I can look back just in my one direction. Not the band. Chat. Let's have some taste. Now that's a question. Hold on. Alright, let's let Sir Sassafras chime in on this.
Oh dear, One Direction? Are you trying to test my patience? Well, prepare yourself for a sassy response. I wouldn't say I'm a fan. In fact, I find their music about as appealing as a moldy sandwich. But hey, to each their own, right? If you enjoy their tunes, then go ahead and listen to them. Just don't expect me to join in and sing along. Now if you'll excuse me, I have some good music to cleanse my eardrums with.
Jeez. Computer, clip that.
I clipped the thing.
Based. I guess. I've never actually listened to any of their stuff because I'm like, nah. I don't pass. Okay. His rating. With boop. 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 Yep. Then take all this and move it here. So for anybody that's just coming in and you're wondering what I'm doing, I am building a Twitch and YouTube multi-streaming chat client that also handles events. So like Twitch subs, Twitch channel point redemptions, follows, so on and so forth. Within the chat window, in line, whereas stuff like the Restream IO channel stuff, chat client doesn't handle that. And I'm just using the same stuff that I did for my event sub video, which is currently my most popular long form video on YouTube. That I use there to just modify all that to have it work in the chat window. Okay, so channel point rewards. This should be interesting. So we don't need this. Really surprisingly, we're almost done. And then after we do this, we need to have the YouTube stuff come in. Okay. So what we have is... let's see... okay, is redeemed. As redeemed. And then... let's... okay. the title here for oop, tacos. Okay. For 1,000, or just how much tacos? I don't think I have anything less than 1,000 on my, custom channel point rewards. Okay. Let's see. Prompt. We don't need the prompt. So I should do this. So use move this over here. And then we need one of these. And then we need this. Red user prompt is not equal an empty string. Then we want the user prompt. Otherwise, we want an empty string. So we can just do this. And then, here we can do a string literal and say we want a div here and here. This and this. That should be that. This is probably going to be the first thing that we check. Is going to be the channel point rewards whenever we're done with this. Because that's the easiest thing to check. Consistently. Anyway, because if we can make one thing work, we can make the rest work. Okay, now for hype train stuff. We don't want to do... Yeah, we want to do progress. So if we hit a new level, we don't want to worry about the hype train total just yet. We can do that another time. But let's worry about this another time. This hype train level. This is where stuff gets spicy. Okay. Really, we could just... Yeah, there's no reason for me to make this complicated. There is zero reason for me to make this complicated. The hype train has reached level.
Indeed.
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 Should I clip that? By the way, for any of you that want to clip stuff, exclamation point clip. We'll take a Twitch clip of the last 2 minutes of the stream and save it to my computer in both vertical and horizontal format, as well as save a Twitch clip of save a clip of the last 30 seconds directly to Twitch as a Twitch clip. So if y'all want to do clips, and you can do this on either Twitch or YouTube. So if you have moments that you want to have clipped, exclamation point clip, that'll do it for you. And it also gives me easy indication of what could be cool to do for YouTube Shorts. So that helps me out too. And your clips get automatically put in to the clip reel for whenever I go off and do medical stuff. Your clip has a chance of being in that rotation. You're heading home, Jettison? Thank you for being you, sir. Thank you for hanging out. You stay awesome, alright? I appreciate you, sir. Jesus loves you. You stay safe. And have a great rest of your evening. Hype. Train. As ended.
Indeed.
Ended.
Indeed.
Ended.
Indeed.
Jack. And this one should be just as easy. There we go. That's that. We now have all of the events handled. At least the ones that I can think to do, anyway. So now, here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna come here. We are going to refresh the page. So to clear all that. Then we are going to redeem a channel point reward. If my mouse will cooperate, here we go. Why do you have such small text? Can somebody say something to see if this thing is actually broken everywhere, or is it just broken the, the alert stuff? Okay. Nope, it just broke on the alert stuff. Okay, so what did I break, or what did I do wrong? Chat message. The chat message has the font size, 32 pixels, color white. Yep, adding all that stuff. That's correct. Chat message, style, background color. Is it because I bolded it? Is that it? Okay, what did I do wrong? Your chat message. Style is Twitch. What's the regular messages have that this one doesn't? So we have chatter name. Yeah, the message. Chat message. Why are you different? Okay, chat. What dumb thing did I do now? Let me come down here. Actually, why did I build the message, not the username? I should have builded the username. Derp. Okay. Name, username. That should work. Why are you not working? Yep, you're going to the correct div. So are you. So are you. Last name, chat message. Message container. Is flight skip. Chat message is image. Why are you different? Oh, Chad, I need to be finishing my tea. I've got like a super lot of tea. Okay, Chad. Give me a 10 or 15 minute break. I'm gonna check my tea, look into why this is breaking, and then also probably do some medical stuff. So, I'm gonna turn on some clips, run some ads, and I will be right back in a bit. So take the opportunity, get yourself a snack, maybe a drink, maybe your supper, whatever you need to do. I'll be right back in a bit. Love your faces.
Every time this happens, it just happens out of nowhere.
Yeah, just one.
Thank y'all so much. Y'all look crazy. Thank you. And thank you for the follow. Eyes of Ashes. That's also a pretty good name. Welcome to the streaming. How'd you enjoy the stream? Feel free to join us in chat. Alright, thank you for those bits and ski bits. I really appreciate that. My goodness. And thank you for this sub, Eyes of Ashes. Really appreciate that. Chat, what is happening? Okay. Thank y'all so much. What?
Always losing characters. Down in the doors too. All for us. Why are we always losing our people? How much more depressing can this game get?
Thunder Advocate down. Did this exchange actually just now happen? Thank you.
The data cube is here.
That was so close.
Oh. There it goes.
Good lord, Tyler!
I got it. Oh man.
I'm crying.
Ourselves. Is what we done did. No. I just saw the
Indeed.
fish. Really strong. And that's coming from a guy that's taste impaired, okay? It was so strong, like after like 5 or 6 pieces, I would
Get good scrub.
Thanks, computer. Even my computer is telling me to get good with tea.
And I did it? Is that it? What are you doing?
There
Hey.
is big.
Can I see someone?
Oh,
It's not letting me shoot!
Not like this!
It's not not letting me shoot? Why isn't it letting me shoot?
We're stuck. Oh! Maybe not.
Hey.
Fine.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, they were holding him.
Okay. Let's buy one more of these. Jen. Wait, hold on. Hold on. No, I'm messing things up. I'm losing the moment. Hold on, wait. Wouldn't mind drowning some hipsters in cheese. Had a neuromuscular genetic condition. Smoke it off, Big Ross. Smoke it off. Come on, Big Ross. Smoke it off. Here, I'll start. And then he starts walking. But 3, 2, 1. We get ha 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 ha. Another impossible choice. Why? Alright, ethical debate time. Again. I love you, Byron. Okay.
Get good, scrub.
That's always good advice, computer. Thank you. Okay. Now. There's no... Indeed, dear. And what was this email? Referring to? Might be cheese. Ha ha! Ha! That's actually pretty good, dear. No, it was not spam. It was cheese. It's always cheese. Or, to quote a version of the Hulk, that's my secret. I'm always cheesy. What's going on, Jenner? And do you feel like, Edgar, you've gotten your cake? You did it! Good. Oh no! I think, yep. The game just crashed. Jerry. What do I do now?
Hello, Ryder.
See if he's got any more jokes.
How are those jokes coming, Sam?
Why do elk start stampedes? Because they wish to be heard.
Yeah, here we go. It's my vengeance. It's my vengeance for the random bard performs. Did you just see Liam's legs? I hope somebody clip that.
Did I?
Indeed.
Huh.
Every time I drink tea, I can just go, I'd like to drink. Dinner! Yeah, did you happen to clip any of that so I can pull it from a sound, pull a sound clip? I mean, I can get it from the replay, no problem. Just making sure you didn't clip it first. Hey, Nar. I killed 2 people, though. Gotta give me something. That's never happened that bad.
GG!
Alright, let's try it again. The server will automatically give you sub permissions.
I'm gonna use the missiles. I'm gonna load stuff up.
I hope everyone's doing the same! Okay, chat, fights. There are 4 mirrors in the mirror. Mirrors on the mirror. Say that 5 times fast, chat. Mirrors on the mirror. Mirrors on the mirror. Mirrors on the mirror. Mirrors on the mirror. Is that 4 or 5? So I wasn't counting. Writing on the mirrors was in the language only I can read. No.
I pressed the jump.
Pop another one. Okay. Chad, we have to be careful not to touch the walls. As soon as we touch the walls, we're dead. We're dead! Or we can just touch the balls. That didn't sound right.
Good stuff and hyping up Jesus whenever we can. So, let's get a search. I will
Get good, scrub.
attempt to do that. And trying to think of when I can make it back. Look at the week. I'm gonna aim on Discord. You very much should be. We hang out there every single do over. Wait, I thought I... I threw the grenade. Ashley! Ashley! Dante! It's working!
It's working! Why? Why? You know, I'd want the class that, you know, it's a lot more than that. You know, more often than not. No, I don't want to be a professional trader, because all the professional traders end up being more idiots than the students that they teach, and the students that they teach, you know, end up surpassing them in every way, because I'm a professional trader. Where and I'm also a professional streamer where the microphone gets muted whenever I... Was the microphone turned on that entire time, chat? And then it muted just now. Clip reel is over, by the way. And I found the issue. So, here's the issue. Be careful whenever you copy and paste JavaScript in a string literal, because whenever I was copying and pasting the chat message here in order to keep the template information working, whenever I would copy and paste it in here, where it says right here, the div class equals chat message. If you scroll down here, because I didn't fix this yet, it was actually pasting in, for some reason, as div class name chat message, whenever I originally did it as div class equals chat message. Class name is what gets used whenever you are working in React with JSX HTML in order to make the class attribute in your HTML work in React. This does not work in vanilla JavaScript, so just be aware whenever you are copying and pasting with vanilla JavaScript that this can happen. Computer, clip that.
I clipped the thing.
So let me finish getting rid of these so that it actually says class. Instead of class name. Because up here, it says class whenever I originally did it. When I copied and pasted, it said class name. Why though? Which would indicate why the color would go in, but nothing else. So, if we go back to here, we reverse the page, and then we redeem a channel point reward. It should. There we go. Superstars redeemed. Old man ran on Twitch for 1,000 tacos. It works. So now, if we have somebody say something in chat,
we should get a normal chat message. But for me, whenever I see this, it's only going to show the chat messages, and then whenever somebody redeems a channel point reward, it's going to show up here for just me. And then for everybody else, you're going to see the reward, like, card alert flip in on the screen. This will also work for me for follows, subs, resubs, cheers, raids, the whole 9 yards. Now, the trick is going to be to get this to work for YouTube events. Specifically, right now, for whenever people subscribe on YouTube. Now, that should not be that hard. Because all we have right now, at least available to me right now, is my YouTube, neither one of my YouTube channels are monetized at this point. So all I can do right now is get the subscriber notifications. So we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our on-screen chat information, and we are gonna go down. Sorry, ignore that. Not here. We're gonna go to our overlay here. And then we're gonna go down to, let's see, these two. We're gonna take the socket listeners for the overlay for the individual YouTube subs, meaning the ones that are named and the ones that are not. And we're gonna bring that over to the individual chat section. Then we are gonna just paste those in, and we will modify what we're doing with each. So, what we're gonna do is we'll take the chat message. Actually, we have to do a little bit more. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this stuff first. To actually put the message on the screen. Gonna paste this right here. Then we're gonna take, okay, I'm gonna do a constant for the chat message, so we can take this, and if it does the same thing that it did before chat, notice that where it says class right here whenever I paste it in, if it does the same thing that it did a minute ago, it's gonna say class name whenever I paste it. So this is something to watch out for. Watch it make a liar out of me. Just watch. So it made a liar out of me. Of course it makes a liar out of me. Now, we're gonna say that we're gonna get the data name. has subscribed to the, let's see, YouTube channel. And we need to change this over here from Twitch to YouTube, because that is the specific color that we want, because I'm going to be able to quickly identify what we're working with based off of the color of the message coming in. I'm hoping, I'm really hoping, that we get API access to the Twitter/X, whatever you want to call it, chat message stuff for streaming on Twitter. Because I would love to do all of this for Twitter streaming and for Facebook streaming. I don't know if I would do Kick. Like, I feel like I would avoid doing stuff for Kick. Almost on principle. You know what I mean? And... okay. So we say some data name and subscribe to the YouTube channel, yes. And then for the one where we get so many subs, because we don't know how many subs we got because of anonymous subs, we can take this and paste it here. Okay. And now what we can do is see, where's your yeah. Let's do this. Get rid of this. And then we will take all of this and move it here. Now, this is going to look the same as the stuff down here. To rid of this. Okay. So we can get rid of all of this and this. New subscriber to the channel. We can say this, this, and this. So the data people have subscribed to. So if we have more than one anonymous sub, we say so many subs people have subscribed to the channel. And then otherwise we say new subscriber to the YouTube channel. There we go. And then yeah. And then we can get rid of all of this. And we're done. So, we're done. We just successfully created a multi-streaming chat client that can read in messages and alerts from both Twitch and YouTube and put them all in line in your chat window. Now, here's the caveat. This only works if we are reading in messages. We cannot, at this point, send out messages to either Twitch or YouTube using this method. Nor can we do things like on Twitch, run ads, or get our event list separate from the inline chat stuff. Which, I mean, at this point, I'm not sure if I would want to do that. We can't raid channels on Twitch. We can't change our stream info. Just all the stuff that you get, the niceties that you get from the Twitch dashboard. You don't have that with this method. So, I think that we're going to call the stream quits for here, because this is a really good place to stop. And on Monday, so a week from today, we are going to start on building a multi-streaming dashboard that we can use to do all the things that I just mentioned. So running ads on Twitch, getting events in a list if we want to, or changing channel information, all that good stuff, so that we can actually have a more robust thing that we can use, similar to the Twitch dashboard, but for multi-streaming on Twitch and YouTube. So that should really help not only myself, but I think a lot of people as well. So let me get to this thing. So I think we're going to call it for today, chat. Let me see if I can find someone for us to read. Not sure why my chat's not showing up right there, but it's okay. So, let's see who's on. So thanks everybody for hanging out. I really do appreciate it. If there is anybody in chat that you're not currently following, and you enjoyed spending time with us today, feel free to hit that follow button on Twitch or subscribe button on YouTube, depending on where you're at, if you would like to be notified of future streams. We spend our time here focusing on hyping up Jesus as much as we can, building stuff with software, cool stuff with software, like what you're seeing here, and doing as much gaming stuff as we can get our hands on. As much as what I'm interested in doing anyway. So if you're interested in the gaming stuff, I will be back on Wednesday, 4 p.m. Central, with day 4 of Tales of Arise. And if you are more interested in just getting the software side of what we do here. I will be back on Monday, so a week from today, 4 p.m. Central, where we will start working on the dashboard side of things here. So, we are going to send a raid over to Platinum Azure, who is one of my moderators. He was in here earlier in the YouTube side of things, and also a good personal friend. And he is also doing some software stuff. Today he is working on his own AI assistant model, something. He's running a AI model locally on his computer, and he's trying to train it in order to do various things so that he doesn't have to like pay OpenAI to do stuff on his stream, and also to have more context running and stuff like that. So he's actually got some ads about to run on the stream, so I'm gonna give him a few minutes to let those go so y'all don't get a pre-roll as soon as we roll in. But if any of you are subscribed on Twitch and would like to join us in a raid, feel free to use that first raid call. If you are not subscribed on Twitch and would like to join us in a raid, feel free to use that second one. And as always, if any of you are not hanging out with us on Discord, you should be. We hang out there every single day. Get up to all manner of shenanigans and mimicry. We would love to have you. And if you would like to follow more of what we do with the software stuff here, you can subscribe on the 2 YouTube channels. So if you're just interested in the software stuff, you can subscribe to the @SirSilverStar channel, or if you are just interested in the gaming side of things, you can subscribe to the Silverstar Games channel. Both of those links are in the chat there. If you're curious about the games that we have coming up, feel free to check out that Google Doc that I've got right there. That'll show you what games we have coming up next and in what order. I'll probably, hopefully, keep that schedule unless something comes up where I'm just like, I really want to play this thing right now. But thank you for hanging out, DJ. Stick around. We're going to be doing a raid in roughly 2 minutes. I'm waiting for these ads that he's got going. To run out so we can all roll in without pre-rolls. So just give it about a minute and a half, and then I will send the raid in. But in the meantime, chat, what have y'all got going on till we meet again on Wednesday? Y'all have any plans? Anything to look forward to? Or any projects you're working on? What's up? I am definitely looking forward to more Tales of Arise on Wednesday. I am thoroughly enjoying my time in that game. I'm just hoping that I can finish it before the Final Fantasy XIV expansion happens in the summer. Because that is... like, I'm gonna drop everything like a hot potato whenever Final Fantasy XIV expansion happens, and we're just going to be purely a Final Fantasy XIV stream for a little while, at least until we finish the expansion. And you can't tell me otherwise. But, yeah, so we're going to be doing that on Wednesday. Some Tales of Arise, okay? So, ads are over. And let's send this raid in. So if no one has told you lately, Chad, you are loved. You are appreciated. You're highly valuable. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Till we meet again, Wednesday, 4 p.m. Central, if you're into the gaming stuff, or Monday, a week from today, 4 p.m. Central, if you're more interested in the software stuff. Y'all stay epic. You'll have an awesome night. Jesus loves you. I love you. Repent and believe in the gospel. Peace. All day, son. All day. Stick around for a raid.